Imagine launching a beautiful professional website for your business, not in weeks, not in days, but today in less than 15 minutes without writing a single line of code. Yes, that is now possible through AI. You can build WordPress website complete with pages, content, and even images just by describing your business. Hi, my name is Hanish Arora. I'm the founder of Exoto, where we help modern businesses integrate AI into their business so they can save time, reduce manual efforts, and deliver exceptional customer experiences. In this video today, I'm going to show you step by step how you can launch your own website connected to WordPress and generate your entire site using AI. By the end of this video, you will have a working website that you can share with your customers. So let me give you a quick map of what we will cover today. First, we will choose the right domain name for your business, the web address and your brand identity. Second, why hosting is like the piece of land for your website and how to pick the right plans. You can consider your website as a real estate, as like you are building a house, and consider your domain name as the location, the name you are picking up for your website, where people can find you, what's the address. So domain name you can consider as the address of your asset, and the land where we are building this house on is your hosting. So this is where we're going to host all your files, database of the website, and the actual house is the website design or the framework. Now the third thing is installing a simple WordPress plugin that connects to an AI website builder. So we'll use AI to actually create that website for us. And then the fun part, feeding the AI with your business details, and it'll create your homepage, your about page, service pages, connect contact us page, and more. And then I'll show you how to open and edit those pages if you want to later on do the changes in the content, in the images, or you want to like add anything else to the website, that you can do through Elementor editor within WordPress. Okay. So this workflow is perfect if you want professional results fast, whether you run a consulting business or you're planning to start startup. Let's build your website together the AI powered way. Let's start with the first step of choosing the right domain name for a business. There are a lot of sources available online that you can use. What I use is Lean Domain Search. If you go to their website, Lean Domain Search, just open their website, and whatever your niche is, you can mention your niche name here, or any word that you want to include in your brand or in your domain. You can just mention that word in the domain. For example, here I want to search a domain name with AI agents in it. So I want this phrase to be present in my domain name. So I have few suggestions here. I can sort them on the basis of their popularity, or if I want to start with this term, or if I want to end the name with this term. So let's search. I have like few names. AI agents point is one that I like. Then AI agents tube, that's a good one. And then you don't need to overthink, to be honest. Just pick any name that you can connect with. So this is a good name, AI agents channel. Agents engine is a good name. So yeah, let's go with this one. I think I like this one, aiagentsengine.com. So what I'll do now is there is one another source that I refer to check the availability, domain name search. You can check your domain availability from the place where you will be planning to buy your domain. From there as well, you can check the name availability, but normally I use this website, aiagentsengine.com. So let's check if it's available. Yeah, it's available. And here also I get like a lot of suggestions. Okay, the names I could buy. So now there are two thing in a domain name. One is the domain name actually. So anything before the dot is actually the name of the domain that you want to buy, and the part after the dot is a TLD. So that is the domain TLD. You have seen domains ending with .ai, .io, .xyz, net.org. So these are all different kind of domain TLDs. So for your main brand name, I would suggest to always go with .com, or you can go with maybe .ai if you are planning to build any AI based agency or your business is completely AI based, or maybe io.co. These are like few popular two character TLDs, but .com is the best if you are able to find a .com domain. Nothing better than that. We will go with aiagentsengine.com for this demo. So now I want to buy the domain and hosting both from Namecheap. I normally buy domain names from Namecheap and hosting. I have used multiple hosting providers in the past. I have used GoDaddy, I have used Namecheap, I have used Hostinger, DigitalOcean, a lot of VPS providers. So for this example today, we are building a simple WordPress website. So I think anywhere where you're getting a good deal for a WordPress managed hosting, you can buy that plan. So for this, like today's demo, we'll go with managed WordPress hosting from Namecheap. We'll buy their hosting plan and also we'll buy the domain from Namecheap itself. Okay, let's buy the domain first. I'll log into my account. If you do not have a Namecheap account, so just sign up for the account. It's free. So I log into mine. So now I'm in my Namecheap account. And one more thing that we need to cross check always, whichever hosting plan we decide to buy, if you buy that hosting for 1 year or more than 1 year, they normally offer a .com domain with the hosting plan for free. So before buy the domain, you should always check whether there is a .com domain like as part of your hosting plan or not. If not, then you will buy a separate domain name. But if it's part of the hosting that you're buying, then you don't need to buy a separate domain name. You can just claim your free.com from the hosting itself. So let's buy the domain name agentsengine.com, add to cart, checkout. Yeah, it's done. So now I am the owner of this domain. I can find this domain in my dashboard. It should be in my dashboard. So you can go to here, to your account. From here, you can go to the dashboard and search for your domain name. AI agents. From here, you can search for the name. I can see my domain here. So now let's go to the hosting plan. I will be buying a WordPress hosting. So I want to host my website on WordPress. WordPress is an open source framework that we will be using to design our website. So I'll just click on try for free. So they offer a 1 month trial. So I'll use that trial. Easy WordPress starter. So yeah, this plan is good enough. If you plan to host more than one website, then you can look out for other plan where they offer like more than one WordPress sites. I think this is good for me. Just click on checkout. I want to go with the monthly cycle. Now again, I can log in with Namecheap, confirm payment. For first month it's free. And so now I want to create a new website. So just click here, set up WordPress, then create new website. If you want to migrate your website to this server, then you might need to click here, but here we are creating a brand new website. So website name, yes, let's give our website a name, Agents Engine. Click continue. Domain name. So we can now pick our name from the account, or if you have bought a domain from some other account and hosting from some other account, then you need to click here, domain on other provider. But here in this case, our domain is from Namecheap itself. So we'll just click here and our domain is selected here. We can see aiagentsengine.com. Let's click continue, pick a theme. We'll just click skip step for now because we'll be doing that setup later on. You don't need to choose any plugins. You can click maybe skip step and yeah, everything looks good. The website name is good, the domain is good, everything looks good to me. Click continue. So now they're installing WordPress on our domain. So WordPress is basically the framework. So I think it's live now. Let's check. Yeah, we can see our website live, aiagentsengine.com, and like let's click on manage. Here we can see the website is installed. Now you can also enable the SSL certificate. Click manage. So here you need to click add certificate and free positive SSL. Here it's saying that it will gonna take few hours to activate the SSL, but no issues. Once it's activated in maybe 1-2 hours from now, so then our website will route directly through HTTPS URL. So now let's start building. To access the WordPress, there are two ways. One is from this admin panel. You can either click here, WordPress admin, or you must have received an email into your account that is linked with Namecheap. So that's your email that you should have received in your inbox with your username and password. So either way, you can access the admin panel. So to log into your admin panel, you can directly click here and log into the admin panel, but I want to show you the URL. So after the domain name, you need to add up-login. This is the URL that you always need to use to access the admin panel of your website. You can also click here, it will take you to this page only. But for any WordPress website, if you add slash wp-login.php, it will take you to the login page. From here, you can use the username and the password to log into your account. Just make sure there are no spaces and all. Now you are in your admin panel. So from here, there are now two ways you can build your website. One is the manual way. You need to do the changes in the theme. So themes are basically the templates, the designs. You can click add new, and there are like a lot of options you can choose from the kind of website you want to build. You can pick a theme and then do the changes manually in all the content and all. Okay, you can select the theme from here, or you can also buy a theme from other sources like Theme Forest, and there are a few other sources online from where you can buy different designs WordPress themes. And plugins are basically a way to enhance your website like capabilities. So if you want to add more functionalities to your website, so you can use SEO plugins, you can use maybe a plugin to connect your website with social media platforms. So there are like endless number of plugins that you can use to enhance your website features or capabilities. But here we're not gonna be creating the website manually, so we'll be using a AI website builder plugin. How you can access the plugin is you can go back to the plugins, and from here click on add plugin and search for extra sites. Okay, search for this term extra sites. Just click enter, and this is the plugin that we want to install. Starter templates, AI powered templates for Elementor. So just install this plugin. Once it's installed, click on activate. Okay, then from here you can click on AI website builder, build with AI, and then pick the name of your website, AI agents template here. Mention like the website is for agency and or any business that you're setting up. So I'll just click agency here, and your language. And then here you need to describe your website in few words, or you can also choose this option right using AI. So I'll just add the description about AI agents engine, and then click enter, click next, and give your details here where people can reach out to you, support@AI agents engine.com, and give your phone number. And also if you want to mention your address, you can mention, and also you can add your social media handles here. If you want to mention the social media accounts of your business, you can add all the social media handles here. So I'll just skip this part for now and click next. Now from here you can select few images. It should be related to your business, so you can pick whatever you like, because then like this AI website builder will gonna use these stock images to create your website. So I'll pick few images. This is good, this is good. Or if you think like it's not the relevant images, so you can just change the keyword. For example, I'll just change it to AI agents and see what kind of images we'll get. Yeah, this is code generation. So you can just like type in few keywords and try to get the relevant images for the website. I think we are good. Let's do one final search. Yeah, Let's click on next for now. And now from here, you can pick a design. If they have some free options as well as some paid options. So premium ones are the paid options. So for example, these two are free options. So you can pick any design from this list. I'll go with, I think this one is good. So let's select this one. Now from here, you can select the logo if you want to add your own logo to the website. And if you are okay with everything, you can also change the colors. So I think let's change it to, yeah, this one is good. Or you can change the font as well. And let's check how it looks on tab and cell phone. It looks good to me. Everything looks good for now. And let's click continue. And from here, you can select the features on the website. You can, if you want to sell from your website, you can select e-commerce. If you want to maybe ask your prospects to schedule a call with you from your website, you can select this option. So these are like different options that you can select the features of your website. So I'll select this one and click start building. So now from here, you need to create your Zip VP account. You click here, create a Zip VP account, and it will take you to this page to create your account. Or I'll also add my link in the description. You can use that link to create the account with Zip VP. So just use your email, or either you can create your account through Google. Add your details and create your account. So let's do that. Click login. Now click start building, and it'll show you how many free credits you have. So yeah, confirm and proceed. So now they are building our website. It's that easy. 4%. Okay, so it's done. Now click on see your website. It'll take you to your website. Yeah, it looks good. AI engine, few details about the services. Ready to transform your business. A design looks good. Or maybe I need to do few changes in the content, but I think the design looks good. It's working. All the pages are live. I can click on the pages and just do basic changes on the website wherever I think I need to do, but it's 80% done. Get started. Great. I think it's more than 80%. And because if you have to do manually everything, create your website like this, it will take you a lot of time to decide the images, decide the content, the framework and all. And that was the free template that I used. If you like one of their paid templates, you can also go with the paid templates. So just click finish setup. So from here, you get some free credits, like to do the changes on the pages, to optimize your site further, and even like accept appointment. So you can do all the changes here from this panel. So you get free credits to do changes on the website. Just click on each and every section and do the further changes. So just describe what you want to change, and I think it will do the changes. If you want to do the changes yourself, so just click on, let's say we want to do changes on the services page. Okay, so just click edit page, and that's it. We can do the changes. We can just do the client onboarding process. So that's how we can do changes to our website, and click save. It should be done. If you want to change the image, you can do that from here. Yeah, that's it. Now let's go back to the hosting and see if SSL is activated. Click on SSL certificate. Yeah, it's activated. So that's why we're not getting any error here. If you click, it's activated. Connection is secure. Now we have I think fully functional website that we can, after doing some minor changes to on the content, we can share it with our clients as well. If you want to, just go to the website aiengine.com, and here it is, done with AI in just less than, I think, 15 minutes. All right, so that's it. You now know how to choose your domain, set up your hosting, install WordPress, and let AI build your entire website for you in minutes. I hope this helped you take the first big step toward building a modern digital first business. If you enjoyed this video and want to go deeper, I would love to invite you to our school community, AI Agents Lab. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye for now.